Today, let's take a closer look at Pansol bridge tie beam steel formwork and find out how it lays the foundation for bridge stability. Pansol bridge tie beam steel formwork is generally 3-10 meters long, 0.8-2.5 meters wide, and 5/8 millimeters thick. These specifications can meet the diverse needs of various types of bridge tie beam projects and accurately adapt to each project. Pansol bridge tie beam steel formwork has significant advantages. The unique splicing design makes the splicing process simple and efficient, and the splicing is tight and firm, effectively preventing leakage during concrete pouring. The tie beam steel formwork can steadily withstand the huge pressure during concrete pouring, ensuring construction safety and quality. In the production process, Pansol's pursuit of quality reaches its extreme. After the high-quality steel is cut by advanced laser CNC cutting machines, experienced welders work together with advanced automated welding robots to ensure that every weld is firm and reliable. In terms of application scenarios, Pansol bridge tie beam steel formwork is widely used in the construction of various types of bridge tie beams. Whether it is an urban viaduct that requires rapid construction in a limited space, or a cross-river bridge that faces complex environmental challenges, Pansol formwork can cope with it excellently. Thanks for watching! Pansol bridge tie beam steel formwork provides solid guarantee for bridge construction with its excellent performance and professional service.